Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower dip. This is the really easy technique that you can create a nice flower. What you need is some acrylic paints. In today's case I will use this craft PVA glue mixed with water, 70% glue, 30% water to a pouring medium, and then I mixed 1:1 with my acrylic paints and of course my pearl white mixture, and it leaves consistency, it leaves a mound and disappears quite right away. My pearl white mixture is Vallejo pearl medium, some titanium white and my pouring medium, and for colors I have Prussian phthalo by Amsterdam, manganese by Amsterdam, and King's blue by Amsterdam. And I have titanium white for my base. And I will use my flower shaped cup to create some flower effect, and I'm working on 12 by 12 inch canvas today. So I will pour my base coat on. All the colors are mixed the same. 1 part paint to 1 part pouring medium, and I want to have a nice coat of base there, and I will just tilt excess paint to the cup off camera. So base coat is down. I will just mark the middle with this string. I like to put my cup in the middle, and I never end up with the flower in the middle. Don't know why. Put my cup on. And now I will start pouring, and I will add a layer of pearl white to create some lacing petal effect, and then all 4 colors, and then I will go with pearl white again. So pearl white and all 4 colors. So I want more color today and not as much lacing. Hope so. We will see. I say that a lot. If you don't try, you don't know. Okay, and I'm just turning my canvas just because I always kind of pour a little on one side, or how can I say, and maybe that's how I will keep it more in the middle. I think that this will be my last row. I don't want my flower to be all over the whole canvas. I want to have some negative space. But we will see. Maybe just one more. Okay. Let me grab something. Kind of just drag this a little bit towards the outside corner to create a little more of a flowery effect, but you don't need to. Remove the cup, and now I will spray my paper napkin with water and do a reverse D. I have a lot of full tutorials about this technique, so you can check step by step, mixing videos, everything that you didn't learn today if you want to learn more in details. Okay, so I will place down my paper napkin, and I think that I added that the last row was a little too much, but we will see. I'll just make sure that my napkin is touching the paint underneath. And now let's create some magic. Okay, have 4 corners, sides. Oop. Oh my God, I can already see that I had quite a problem, but it's okay anyway. Not just okay, it's gorgeous. I like to do this with my finger, but you can suck out some paint with the pipette or something. Just like to dip my fingers into the paint, obviously. I will wait now for a second, and then I will go once more if I need to. Just need some white paint around, and I poured pearl white. Yeah, oh yeah. So now we will have to save this somehow. So I will pour just some regular white here, because pearl white is a little different. And now I will blow this over the pearl white. Maybe we will get some pearl lacing and it will be just fine. Sometimes some things just meant to be. Okay. Not bad at all, because it all looks like a frosty thing now. Yeah, the middle just grew way too much, and pearl white ate all the colors with this glue. You know, if I don't like the middle, And sometimes you ask me why you don't spin it out, because the middle will be even bigger and I will not be happy with that. So what I will do, I will grab a balloon and dip a middle. Because there is a ton of paint in the middle. Again. You see how pearl white is reactive with the glue? Just can't get rid of it. So I have to incorporate it as much as I can, because I can dip and dip and dip and it will still be there. Don't mind a little bit, but it was just too much. I'm basically sliding, not dragging, just to the canvas with my finger. I like to play with this, so Okay, I will leave this to dry. I don't know if you see that lacing, white lacing over the pearl, that it gives that really cool icy look for that flower that it's kind of icy too. You see, that's why I kind of like to use my pouring medium, Bessner acrylic binder and acrylic emulsion, because pearl white mixture with glue tends to take over. Did you remember how little I put? I put 4 solid layers of color and then pearl white, and it's really taking over. It's a nice flower, don't get me wrong, but I thought that I will get a little more colors, so I will try to do it once more and maybe add just 2 layers instead of 4 for the pearl white. So this is it for today. I will not be able to show you the dry result because I filmed this today, Wednesday, that you watch. Look at this middle, isn't it beautiful? So I will show you this one on Friday. Bye.